Guys, now they're starting for the Salah time. So one by one they are coming now, and they are calling the people to come here in the mosque. So this is our mosque here in the side. Before this, I will give it to you to another side. Here the side of with the what is called this, with our toilet side. Yeah, sorry, this is the toilet side. So now here, so the trucks is outside, if you see that, because before the trucks mostly is here, will be keep it here, so that's why. So now as per that instruction for the safety, for avoiding any people having sometimes, you know, for danger zone, so we'll be keep it outside the trucks. So once it's coming here, then we will be to moving in, and whatever we'll do, it's here inside the camp. So again, one more time, I don't know, you are familiarized again in your place. So yeah, the mosque here. So now the trucks here, also the side. This is the outside the barrier, outside the barrier in the camp. So yeah, okay guys, so now starting to meal. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.